I'm down here on Soi 2 at Trepset Hill because there's a unique set of shops here, and they're all producing some lovely works. And what they are, they're all oil art or artists of some description. So let's have a look around, and I'll show you what they produce. And some of the paintings is really top quality. Yeah, so look at some of these, some striking pictures here. This one's all about women's eyes, I think. Look at that one. There's some love, these in here, look at this one. This is a lovely picture of this one. And you say, they're all here, painting the way. They're here every night. That's what he's painting, this guy, and that's what he's painting from. This one's just setting out. Let's have a wander down and see some more. Now that is quite a nice picture, that one. Some nice portraits going on here. So these are all hand painted by these artists there in the shops here. Red lips, red rose. Ready, cab? As I say, if you wanted a commission done, I'm sure if you brought a photograph or anything down, these guys will sort you out. So and it is top quality. Bit of an abstract one here, all grass, green, a lot of abstract stuff. More of a Picasso style, I think. Some lovely pictures though, or paintings should I say. Have a look down this way. All the artists are here. Ready, go. Some nice, really nice in-depth pictures here. A little bit abstract, but very effective. If you come down here, you can actually get something to eat. You can sit here, something to drink. So there's a little steak bar here by the looks of it. And you can get pad kapal, spaghetti, fish. So there's also seating, so you don't have to rush around. So this could make for a pleasant evening, just sitting here looking at a few paintings. Have a little wander back. There's a guy doing his thing. I'm not going too close because of don't want to disturb him. But looks like he's done all the works here. Another one of Marilyn Monroe there. This looks like one in progress. Some very impressive painting going on here. Nice one there of very good painting here. A little bit of abstract work. All hand painted. And I'm sure if you would talk to the artist, they would do commission bids for you. So there's a little glass holder. One here of Marilyn Monroe. So there you have it. A nice little walk around this evening in the art zone. Plenty of pictures for sale. If you're in the market for a picture, original, come down. They're not priced up, but I'm sure that you can come to some agreement. And also, if you want a commission, bring a photo down, and I'm sure they will do a commission for you without any problem. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment, and I will get back to you. But until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you a bit further down the line.